driving the 2013 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Laguna Seca. So if you look in the back seat, there is no back seat, just a cage. So this is really set for weekend racers. And I still have to do some checking on the specs, but if it's the same as the one that won the 10 Best Engines last year, then it's 444 horsepower, 380 pound-feet of torque. Here in the Boss 302, 18.2 miles per gallon, which is fairly impressive for an engine making 444 horsepower. This one, the Laguna Seca version, which has a lot of additional content for weekend racing, this one prices at $42,000, and as tested, this sticker's just under $50,000.